Okay guys, today is going to be a little bit of a different video idea, not backtesting, not a recap, but instead an outlook of what I want to happen today in order for me to take a trade. As you know, I don't really like trading Mondays. However, if a setup presents itself, I'm not going to scare away. It's about as simple as that. So obviously in gold here, we're on the 15-minute time frame. We had a nice zone formation here. Boom, 3 candles. Luckily enough, got that breaker structure within the 3 candles. All I'm looking for now is what you're seeing right now. I need price to reverse here. 5 minutes should look a little cleaner now. It's starting to reverse, leaving inducement before our zone. As you can see, got my alert set up. If I do take this trade, it'll end up looking something like this. As you can see, move it up probably, yeah, around Asia highs, secure a little 1 to 4. But the 15 minutes looking really clean right now. That's the main time frame I've been looking at it on. GU, there's it's really not much to look at, to be honest. Yes, we do have this zone here. It's really, really small on the 15-minute. We do have this inducement, but as you can see, it's reacting now. It's just not, we're not 30 minutes into London Open yet. So no way will I be taking this trade. Jumping into UJ. Actually, sorry, skipped Euro. Oh, and there goes Euro. I didn't actually have anything set. I was once again, waiting the same way I had gold, hoping it would reverse somewhere from down here, leaving a bit of inducement for us to take this zone. But as you can see, we've swept Asia. So not shorts. We are not looking for shorts here. Obviously, it's just invalidated it. Moving into UJ. UJ is coming to set up really, really nicely. I've been watching this, not most of the day. I've been watching it for maybe the last 30 minutes. And so far, everything is lining up, as you can see, reverse from this little area here. Inducement here, as well as liquidity, whatever you want to call it. This is probably a trade that I'm going to actually end up taking today. Sorry, jump higher time frames. As you can see, hourly broke structure. Hourly also gave a zone here. Yes, you can argue the fact that this zone only has 2 candles, but it is not a prerequisite for the higher time frames to necessarily have these 3 candles, but the 2 hour has the 3 candles anyways, so higher time frame, more conviction, 2 hour, 3 candles, got our zone here. But I think I'm going to be taking it off of the 15-minute if I do take this trade. It'll most likely be off of the 15-minute refine zone because coming into the 5 minute, it just has to reach really far. If we're moving off of this zone, say here, sorry, let me mark this out. Magnet, if we're taking it off of this zone here, yes, it's a little 1 to 7. We like higher R&Rs. I just don't think it'll really reach this far up into the zone. So I would rather take it off of the refine zone here, just for a safer bet that we will actually get entered. Obviously, see what price does coming into it. But by the looks of it, I think we are going off of, yeah, we'll most likely be going off of a gold trade and a UJ. However, gold is coming back down now, as we can see. We do want more of a rejection here because we need this inducement. I'm not taking a trade without any, like, a 2 candle inducement. I need orders to somewhat consolidate, so at least we can manipulate downwards into our entry zone. GU's probably, yeah, it's still, I guess you could say it's wicking off of this zone here. It's probably a 30-minute zone as well because there's just a consolidation area here. It is a 30-minute zone also. Hourly? No, hourly's wishful thinking. But regardless, yeah, you could call this a zone, but it's a pre-market zone, does not hold that much liquidity, which means it's, if it respects it, it's just fucking luck and chance. But most of all, I am looking at this UJ trade. This is probably what I'm most excited about, I guess you could say, coming into Monday. I think I might start doing this little series of just daily outlook for what I want to happen today in order for me to take a trade. Yeah, you can see GU is running straight through this zone. Coming back to gold. Yeah, gold needs to consolidate here. That is what we are looking for because, as I said, no inducement or liquidity, no trade. It's really as simple as that. Yeah, I have my alert set here, alert set on gold. Nice little wick formed on the 5-minute, 15 closed. Also a nice wick. Let's just get this rejection before coming down. back into this zone. But yeah, that's the video for today. We are actually moving into the tradable times within my rules. Only 15 minutes, and 5:30 is when I'm able to place my trade. So good luck in the markets this week, guys, and I will give a daily outlook tomorrow.